Hello everyone, let's talk about Arena of Valor best builds for assassin or jungle role. First, we have Butterfly. Butterfly is the queen of resets and easily one of the best assassins in the Arena of Valor. Her kit is built around getting kills or assists to instantly refresh all her abilities, which makes her a complete menace in team fights. You can build Butterfly with this. You can use summoner spells like Punish and just follow the butterfly's items as shown in the screen. Second, we have Kira. Kira is one of the most slippery and dangerous assassins in the Arena of Valor, perfect for players who love facing through walls, dishing out massive bursts, and escaping like a ghost. You can build Kira with this. For jungle, use Punish. You can follow the Kira best build based on the icons presented on the screen. Third, we have Nakroth. Nakroth is one of the most mobile and annoying assassins in the Arena of Valor, and he's perfect for players who love fast-paced, high-mechanics gameplay. His kit is built around non-stop movement. He can dash multiple times, dodge abilities, and constantly reposition in fights. You can build Nakroth with this. For jungle, use Punish. You could follow as well the Nakroth best build based on what is shown on the screen.